Have you ever looked back at your past stream and been like, NANI? Well, if that's you, don't worry, I've been there, and in this video series we're going to be making our Twitch streams look more professional. And in this video specifically, we're going to be taking a look at how lighting can make our Twitch stream look more professional. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of your Twitch stream. It sets the mood, it sets the temperature, it sets the tone, and hey, it can even make my Huawei look even better than a $700 DSLR camera. Don't believe me? Here it is, side by side. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So with lighting being a very important aspect into making our Twitch stream look more professional, the first thing you should grab yourself is a key light. Now, what is a key light? It's your main light source that lights up that majestically beautiful, amazing, glorious face of yours. Having your face lit up is very important, especially on Twitch, because it obviously builds the connection between the viewers and you, the streamer. So some of the recommendations that I would give you is obviously grabbing, if you have a lot of money, an Elgato key light, or actually I wouldn't even recommend that above a GVM LED key light, because that just budget wise makes a lot of sense to grab. And I'll make sure to put a video review of both the Elgato and the GVMs just so you can make a comparison and make an informed buyer's decision. And thirdly, the third recommendation I would use if you're on a budget like me is just a simple ring light. I'm currently using a ring light which does a fantastic job at lighting my face. I can change the temperature, I can change the light intensity, make it brighter, make it a bit darker. The second thing that you're going to want to grab yourself are some RGB strips. Now, the reason why this can make your Twitch stream look more professional is because you have a lot of control over it. You can stick it up anywhere. I have them currently about over here, just there, but you can put them on your floor, you can put them on your ceiling. And what I love about these RGB strips is I can change the light color, I can change the tone, and just having that flexibility means that if I'm playing a scary game, I can have it a certain color. If I'm playing a happy game, I can have it a happy color, although what really counts as a happy color? But if I'm angry, I can make it red. Also, what's a great thing about these RGB strips is how affordable they are, how easy it is to put up. So yeah, link in the description for one of those. They go such a long way. The third thing that you're going to need are some practical lights. Now, practical lights are just lights that are simply in the frame. I use two LED strips which are voila over here. Say hello to my little friends. They're simply there as just practical lights, but they also light up the background. They add a nice vibrant tone to my room and just give that additional lighting so that I'm not dependent on, maybe a light source outside, and just I can darken my room, have these on. Sweet, sorted, bruh. They were super cheap, super affordable. Literally just stuck them up on my wall. Yes, easy. The fourth light that you're going to need is a rim light. Now, a rim light may seem like, why would you spend money on that? Well, the rim light essentially separates you from your background, because I can have this nicely lit background, but what tends to happen is I actually end up blending in with that background. So the rim light is a nice separation because it has like a rim, like a light tone around me, like I'm glowing, like an angel. Okay, enough of that. What I use for a rim light is actually just a lamp that I found in my house. I secretly stole it from Pixar, don't tell them. But there are a lot of affordable options out there which I'll link down below, as well as I'll put some product reviews on those just so you can make a more informed buyer's decision. Boom, that's your first step into making your Twitch stream look more professional. Now, your next step is to actually work on optimizing your profile so that when you're offline and people check out your profile, they're like, hey, I want to follow this guy, hit that notification for when he's online again so I can check him out. Yeah, how do you do that? So I have a video on Twitch panels, and hey, I even give away all my Twitch panels for free with some download templates that you can use to customize them yourself. So I'll see you guys in that video over there. So yeah, it should be on the screen about now. Anyways, I'm still talking. We're still here. You're still here. Hello there.